Okay, so today is Thursday, January 9th, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really have anything for this video. I don't know what I learned today. Normally I'm like, today's Thursday and today I learned, but I just don't have that today. I guess what I'm pulling from that is that some days like this will happen, but then I'll be able to pull something from that. But today I genuinely have nothing. But I guess what that tells me is that some days are going to be off. Some days are going to be on and some days are going to be off. And some days you might not learn anything. Some days might just be a midday where nothing really happened. You just did what you need to do. You did the normal stuff and you just went through your day. Went through the motions kind of. And that's kind of what today was. I don't know. But also, I'm having a couple thoughts here. The first thought is that maybe I'm missing something. What if I could learn something from every single day? No matter what. I'm sure there is, right? I'm sure I learn something every day. And what if I'm blocking out a part of my brain that has something really interesting that I could talk about, but I'm blocking that part out because I don't think it's good for my audience, or it's not good for my channel or whatever. There's that, which I'm kind of worried is happening. But there's also just it doesn't matter. It does matter, but it doesn't matter. I think one thing that I've been learning a lot recently is that no matter what happens, you should get back up. No matter how you fail, no matter how many times you fail, always get back up and always continue doing your thing. Because those failures are what make you good at your thing and really help you progress. And that's just been something I've been learning recently. When you have an off day, maybe just a midday where it was just a normal day, but it's just mid, right? Just get back up and focus on tomorrow. Focus on what you can do next, how you can make tomorrow a better day or whatever. So, yeah, that's what I didn't learn today. So yeah, I guess that's what I learned today. Always get back up. Always, no matter how many times you fail, no matter the largeness of the thing that you failed at, always get back up, especially if it's something that you truly care about. Even if I am missing out on something, maybe there was something huge that happened that I'm just missing that I could have talked about, but it's okay. Just get back up. The past is in the past, but the future is now. And you can change your future, and you can just try to make the next thing a little bit better than the last thing, right? The next day better than the last day. The next week better than the last week. The next video better than the last video. Always get back up, especially if you actually care about something and you want to actually progress in it. Then you can't fail if you never give up. So just never give up. Always, every time you fall, always get back up. Because no matter how many obstructions are in your way, if you always get up, then it won't matter how many obstructions are in your way, because you're always getting back up and you're always continually moving forward. So I hope this is motivation for someone who is struggling, who's falling in something that they're trying to be good at. Just continue, always get back up. And it's going to be hard, and I do think that there is a time for you to fall and sit down and rest, but then get back up again, right? So if you need to, just reset, right? Figure out why am I actually doing this? What is the next step that I can take? Just let yourself rest and then get back up. But also sometimes you just need to continue, fall, get back up, fall, get back up, fall, get back up immediately. And that's been something that I've been trying to be better at, because I get very caught up in my failures, and I overthink a lot. So instead of overthinking and getting caught up in how you're failing, you can't fail. You can't truly fail if you never give up. So just don't give up. Just move on, learn from what you can from your failures, and then just move on and get back up and do the next thing. Do the next thing. So I guess that's what I learned today. It's a shorter one, but hopefully it provided some value to you guys. If it did, then definitely hit the like button if you liked the video. If you have any thoughts, let me know, how are you going to be applying this, right? What are you trying to stay consistent with and stay strong with, even though you're failing you still get back up every single day, right? So what is that for you, and how is that working for you? Like, how are you trying to push past that? What are some things that have helped you? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Join my Patreon. I have a Patreon where I have weekly discussion posts about just things I'm thinking about or videos. So, and there's also a community chat where you can share what you guys learned today. So I just really want it to be a wholesome community where people are just trying to get better at life one day at a time. So if that sounds good to you, then I'll have the link in the description. I'm going to be adding a new tier soon. I'm still working on it, but hopefully that's going to be added soon. And yeah, this video is specifically recommended for you. So if you find that interesting, then definitely go watch it. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.